disc. It's cracked, it's scratched, it's over the limit. It's just about to do damage on the flywheel. All good. Start to check the seal that it's leaking, and open to inspect the clutch. The starter oil is empty. Get ready. Taking all this out, the ball joints, and soon we take it all off. Bars, and it's ready now to take the big screws out. Two from this end, two from the other end. That's it. This is it. Look at the mess in there from the shield. It's dripping all over. New bearing. This is the old one. Come in pieces. So we're gonna hit this all around, put it back tomorrow, and let it run. We're gonna clean it up, put the new one on. We're really good on the flywheel, and that's it. Seal is ready. There's no leaking. Washing up, get it ready for the clutch and the bearing.